Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be featuring and testing out the Beauty Blender brush cleaning mat. It's very similar to the one from Sigma, but this is a smaller, more compact handheld version. There are little slots on each end for your fingers and thumb, and it has little ridges of varying sizes to help you clean your brushes. I honestly don't find that either size makes a difference. I kind of just throw the brush all over. And to clean the brush, I'm using an antibacterial hand soap. You can use anything. I've honestly used shampoo before, like a big bottle, trust me, it will last you forever. And then you will just rub it until the suds are clean and the water is rinsing with no more suds. Wait, yeah, no more suds, and you want the water to be clear, then you know it'll be clean, or you can just see that the bristles are completely clear of makeup. And then you'll kind of tap off all the excess water and dry them off on a towel. And then I had a lot of brushes to do, so we're going to speed through this really quick. But you basically just want to keep doing this with all your brushes, but I find some, like the one I'm doing right now, doesn't always work with the mat. Sometimes your hands are bigger or better for very large bristled brushes. And eye brushes, I never do one at a time. That'll take you forever depending on how large your collection is. So I just grab them in a bundle, but you do want to make sure all the brushes are at the same level so that they're all getting washed evenly. And yeah, so we're just going to keep doing that and chucking along. I literally had, I'm looking at them right now, there's probably 100 sitting in front of me, and that's not even all of them. So try to do your brushes regularly so you don't have to spend 4 hours a night doing them. And that about concludes this video, guys. We're just going to finish up the last few brushes. And when you are drying them, you do want to make sure you dry them at an angle so the water can drip out away from the ferrule, which would loosen the glue if it stays in there. And yeah, so I really enjoy this mat. I find it cuts my washing time on my brushes not in half, but it makes it a lot faster, especially for eye brushes, which need those little ridges to really get clean. And that's about it. So I highly recommend it. Again, you can get it at Sephora. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye ya.